Can you get Claude Pro for free with unlimited use on Android? In this tutorial, I'll show you the official plan screen inside the Claude app, explain exactly what the free account includes, and help you avoid fake tricks that can put your account at risk. Start from your Android home screen. Find the Claude app and tap it once to open it. If Claude resumes an old conversation, tap the back arrow so you can reach the main screen. From the main Claude screen, look in the top left corner and tap the three-line menu. The navigation panel opens. Go to the bottom of that panel and tap your account avatar. This opens Settings, where Claude shows your current account and subscription status. At the top of Settings, check the badge beside the account card. On a no-cost account, it reads Free. Directly underneath, Claude says you can upgrade for more usage and capabilities. That wording matters. The normal free tier gives you access without a subscription, but it is not the paid Pro plan and it is not unlimited. Now tap the official Upgrade button. The Get More Claude page shows the real Pro offer for your region. You can see separate monthly and annual prices, followed by the Get Pro Plan button. This proves there is no hidden switch in the Android app that turns a free account into Pro. The official route requires a paid subscription, so do not enter your password on websites or videos promising a free unlock. Scroll down the Pro card and read the benefits carefully. Claude describes more usage, access to more models, and unlimited projects, but the page also says, limits apply. Even the paid plan is not advertised here as unrestricted, unlimited chatting. If you want to stay free, close this page and continue using the free tier. Start new chats when your allowance resets, keep prompts focused, and avoid repeatedly regenerating answers you do not need. So the honest answer is no. There is no legitimate method inside Claude for getting the paid Pro plan free with unlimited use. To verify this yourself, open Claude, tap the menu, open your account settings, confirm the free badge, and tap Upgrade to view the official prices and limits. Use the standard free tier if you do not want to subscribe, and ignore unofficial APK files, account generators, coupon scams, or anyone asking for your login details. If this clear explanation helped, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward Android tutorials.